Are you wondering which tool is better for your AI needs? Today we are diving into the world of Ollama and Hugging Face. Both tools help developers work with AI models. They make it easier to build and use machine learning applications. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Ollama. This tool focuses on making AI models accessible and easy to use. It has a user friendly interface that lets you run models quickly. Ollama is great for those who want to get started without a steep learning curve. Now, let's talk about Hugging Face. This platform is well known in the AI community. It offers a wide range of pre-trained models. Hugging Face also has a strong community where users share resources and support each other. It's perfect for developers looking for advanced features and collaboration. So, what are the main differences? Olama is simpler and more straightforward. It's ideal for beginners or those who need quick results. On the other hand, Hugging Face provides more options and flexibility. It's better suited for experienced users who want to dive deeper into AI. When it comes to features, Ollama shines in ease of use. You can get started right away. Hugging Face, however, offers extensive documentation and community support. This can be a big plus for those who want to learn more. In terms of pricing, Ollama typically offers a free version with basic features. Hugging Face has both free and paid plans depending on your needs. So, who should choose what? If you're new to AI or need something simple, go with Ollama. If you are looking for more advanced tools and a supportive community, Hugging Face is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.